Good morning, everyone. This is Teacher Joanna, and I will be your teacher in Hele. Okay. Now, before we start our lesson, what was our lesson last meeting? Okay, it was all about how to take care of our clothes. Now, do you know how to take care of your clothes? Okay, very good. So, before anything else, everyone, let us read these following words. Everyone, let us read scorch. Again, scorch. And then we have garment. Everyone, let us read garment. And then we have rinse. Everyone, let us read rinse. So the words are scorch, garment, and rinse. Now, do you know the meaning of the words? Okay, so let us know the meaning of the words, everyone. When we say scorch, that is a burning of surface of something. That is scorch. When we say garment, that is an item of clothing. And when we say rinse, wash with clean water to remove soap. Now, those are the meaning of the words. Now, today, everyone, we are going to talk about how to take care of our clothes. Okay? Our clothes is very important because that is what we wear every day. Do you understand me? Now, what are we going to talk about? How to take care of our clothes. Now, are you ready to listen? Okay, very good. So, if you are ready to listen, please sit up straight, eyes on me, and ears on me. You have to focus so that you will understand the lesson. Do you understand? Okay, so let us talk about how to take care of our clothes. Now, we take care of our clothes by darning, mending, doing simple alteration, removing spots and stains, laundering, and ironing. That is how we take care of our clothes. Okay, by doing those things. Okay, so how can we take care of our clothes? By darning, mending, doing simple alteration, removing spots and stains, laundering, and ironing. Okay, so let us talk about everyone darning and mending. So, your clothes will look better and last longer if you mend rips and tears when they first appear. Okay? So, our clothes tend to have rips and tears. Okay? For it last longer, okay, and for it to look better, okay, so you have to darn it and mend it, okay, when these rips and tears first appear. Do you understand? Okay, so mending a garment before washing prevents the tear from getting bigger. Now, holes in a garment may be mended by patching. Okay, so you mend a garment before washing it. Okay, for us to prevent the tear from getting bigger. And holes. Okay, for example, holes in a garment may be mended by patching. Do you understand? Okay, very good. Now, tears in clothing are commonly straight. Okay, so you can observe that there are if you have clothes and there are tears, it is commonly straight, diagonal, and three-cornered. Now, regardless of the shape of the tears, darns will hardly be noticeable if threads used in darning match in color with the cloth. Okay, so in darning, we use the same color of threads, okay, for it to be hardly noticeable. Do you understand? Okay, so what are the common tiers? We have straight tiers, diagonal, and three-cornered tiers. Do you understand? Okay, very good. So that is mending and darning. Okay. Now, let us talk about also removing spots and stains. Okay? Now, spots and stains should be removed promptly. Okay? Because they spoil the appearance of the garment. The reason why we have to remove these spots and stains is because these things spoil the appearance of the garment. Now, the common stains includes the ink, blood, rust, water, mud, perspiration, scorch, and chewing gum. Now, those are the things, okay, those are the spots and the stains that we should remove because it spoils the appearance of the garment. Do you understand? Okay. The very reason why we remove these spots and stains is because these things spoil the appearance of the garment. Okay, now let us talk about also laundering. Now, laundering is a process of washing, okay, starching and ironing clothes. Now, the steps in laundering are sorting. First, we have to sort the clothes and then soak it, and then we have the first soaping, and then the rinsing, and then the second soaping, and then the final rinsing and drying. Again, laundering is a process of washing, starching, and ironing clothes. Okay, so we have to wash our clothes, and that is what we call laundering. Do you understand? Okay, so next we have ironing. Now, in ironing or pressing removes the wrinkles and improves the appearance of the garment. Now, the reason why we iron and we press clothes is because some clothes have these wrinkles. Okay, so if we remove these wrinkles, it will improve the appearance of the garment. Do you understand? Okay, now remember that clothes that have been washed, dried, and sprinkled with water are ironed, while clothes that have been dry cleaned are pressed. Now, the difference between ironing and pressing is that we iron clothes that have been washed, dried, and sprinkled, while we press clothes that have been dry cleaned. Do you understand? Okay, now, ironing is done by sliding a heated iron back and forth across the garment. You understand me? Okay, very good. Now, everyone, how can we take care of our clothes? Okay, so we take care of our clothes by darning, mending, removing spots and stains, laundering, and ironing. Now, those are the ways on how to take care of our clothes. Okay, so now I have your question. How can we take care of our clothes? We can take care of our clothes by darning, mending, ironing, laundering, and removing spots and stains. Okay? Now, everyone, what did you learn today? So, we have learned today about how to take care of our clothes. Now, we can take care of our clothes by darning, mending, removing spots and stains, laundering, and ironing. Okay? So now, if you really did understand the lesson, let us proceed to your practice exercise wherein you are going to give the ways on how to take care of clothes, okay, of our clothes. Okay, that is your practice exercise. And here is your evaluation. Give what is being asked. Now, don't forget to answer your practice exercise and your evaluation because I am going to check it. Do you understand? Okay, very good. So, thank you for listening. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.